in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel it calling midnight.
Hey guys, welcome back to the H's family. How are you all doing today? Before I continue with this video, I would like to thank you all for subscribing, watching, and also sharing and liking our videos. So today's video is all about preparation for Christmas. So today we are going to be setting up our Christmas tree and clean the house and get everything ready for Christmas. So actually last year we made a Christmas tree that was snowflakes. So this year we decided to go with something very simple. We're not going to be putting all the ornaments on the Christmas tree. We just want to do something different this year and see how it goes. And actually the kids turned out to like it. So today's video, the kids are going to be helping so much in setting this up. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this. Oh, hi there. If you're new to this channel, I just want to say welcome and thank you so much for watching our videos.
No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith, you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wanna know, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go?
You're the opposite of me, like sun and rain, and drama on the TV is full of pain. But we're the good part, the happy ending, unexpected plot twist, we always say me. We're the good part, we never fake it, even if it hurts, we always say it.
I always like to include the kids in whatever thing I'm doing. That way they can become responsible and also try to do stuff by themselves, because we're in a place, a community where in this generation, I can say a lot of kids grow up not knowing how to do stuff at home. So it's always advisable to include the kids. Also, I like to always vacuum my furniture each time I'm cleaning my home, because this will help to reduce dust in the house and allergies. I am so picky about dust at home, and especially allergy, because if one person gets sick in my home, obviously every other person will get sick. That's how it is, especially for the kids. When one person is sick, oh my God, just know that every other person is going to be sick. All right, guys, most of you don't know, I sell this pillow and pillowcases, and I'm going to do another video about that and show you guys how they are. Look at that. Look at how beautiful those pillows and the cases are. Okay. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video, and I want to wish you guys another Merry Christmas, and please let us know what you think, and also enjoy your holidays. Bye.
You're the opposite of me, like sun and rain, and drama on the TV is full